Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. Today I'll be showing how to delete your Facebook account. But before that, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload a video. Also feel free to post your comments below. Now without any further delay, let's start with our today's video. As you can see, I have already logged into my Facebook account. You can see a down arrow on your right hand side. Click on that and go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings once again. Now go to your Facebook information, which is on your left, and scroll down. You can see Deactivation and Deletion. Click on that. Now you have an option to choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. We will be choosing to delete our account and then we will select on Continue to Account Deletion. Keep in mind, once you delete your account, your messenger, your information and your page will be deleted. Now before deleting your account, keep in mind that you will have exactly 1 month to cancel the request of your account deletion. Right now, if I click on Delete Account, Facebook will receive a request to delete my account. I hope my video was helpful for you all. To learn more, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, comment below if you have any queries or requests for our new videos. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload our video.